your support and encouragement. Finally, to everyone who joined us today, thank you for celebrating this special milestone with us. As we end our program, let's continue to support and uplift our young learners as they embark on their next adventure. And now, we invite everyone to please stand for the recessional. Okay, una o gawas ang naa sa luyo. Our honorable guests, may I invite you to the stage to take a photo opportunity together with our teachers. Also, I would like to announce ang pagka-iuling sa classroom. Unya, ang inyong snacks i-claim po dito sa classroom. Thank you. Again, ang pagka-iuling sa classroom. Kung ang snacks inyo lang ma-claim dito po sa classroom. Thank you.
Ha?
Yan daw ba kay Gold?
Gold ba?
Yung ang isa kang siya silver yaha. Ang daw siya gamay pero katong si Charity.
Ano siya may medal mo?
Ano eh? Nindot ni siya pa. Mate. Sa'yo da. Nindot. Ang sa'yo. Dakot niya ka.
Di ba kakawag medal yun? Yung binang.
May I invite the teachers